points of comparison to help drive home how big this difference is. Here's one. If a person sees and hears on average, let's say generously, 2,000 words an hour, then between the time they're bored and the time they're an adult, they'll see about 200 million tokens. Now, by contrast, these frontier models are trained on somewhere between tens to hundreds of trillions of tokens. That is close to a million-fold difference. Here's another point of comparison. If you wanted to, you could learn to teleoperate any random humanoid or robot arm within hours. And if we could get AIs to learn just as fast, robotics would be a decatrillion-dollar industry, and you'd have an endless army of unitary G1s doing all kinds of useful work in the world. But the reason we can't do this is that our AIs learn much less efficiently than we do, and even with the millions of hours of demonstrations that we've collected, this is not enough to allow them to perform complex open-ended tasks. And a final point of comparison, a teenager can learn to drive a car with about 20 hours of practice. And even if we include their 16 years of growing up and understanding how the world works,